Hey you, welcome to Beauty Over 40. Today we're trying out a new foundation. I'm really excited because I love Estee Lauder products. Today we're trying out the Futurist Skin Tint Serum with the botanical oil infusion with a broad spectrum of SPF 20. If you'd like to experience this foundation with me, definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm trying to decide which foundation I want to do today because I have now, well, some of you know about the Estee Lauder one, but I did purchase a viral BB cream that's supposed to be like really good coverage. But I think I'm going to stick to what I said. I think I'm just going to go ahead and do the Estee Lauder foundation today. Just moisturizing my hands, my lips. So yeah, let's just go ahead and proceed. I'm gonna use two different toners only because I want to swipe around my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the snail mucin around my eyes, and then after that, then I will go in on my face with the St. Ives that I've been using. All right, now I'm going in with the St. Ives AHA exfoliating toner. I love using toner. It just really brings up that extra dirt and makeup that may be trapped into your skin. Although I will admit I did not clean my face really good last night. I was really tired. I had a doctor day at work, so I'm a store manager of optical store, and yesterday was a doctor day and I had to work alone. Had about 13 patients scheduled, and on top of that I worked from like 8:30 in the morning to like 7 at night. So when I got home I was tired. I laid down had to be around 7:30, and probably within 20 minutes I was out. I did wake up like around 10 something and had like a little snack, but after that I was gone. Like I slept through the night. Like I slept hard. But I did get up to clean my face. Usually I use this actually I had a little trial size of this e.l.f. makeup remover, and many brands have them. It's like a balm, but it really melts your makeup off. Well, I have been using that and it works so good, and I find when I use that like my face is totally clean. But saw they had a deal on TikTok, so I went and bought another one. But this is what it is. I will be doing a review on this on my channel. You guys, I'm just trying to put out as much content as I can. My goal is to hit 10K this year, and I'm going for it, you guys. But so yeah, TikTok had a deal where you buy this, and I don't know what the prices are in the store, but this little set on the TikTok shop was $20 for both. So I got the Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. It works really, really good, you guys. And then the new Power Grip Setting Spray. Look at that, all of that goodness at the top. So I'm excited to try these with you guys. Well, I've tried the cleansing balm, right? You know, I do want to share that with you guys. Anyway, we shall see. All right, so we've done our toner, but I wanted to show you guys. I had a little bit deep down inside. So I didn't use that cleansing bar last night, but what I did was use like one of my makeup remover towels, and child, I went right back to sleep. I was tired. Going through menopause, and whew, girl, So I'm trying different things to, you know, give myself energy and things like that. Now it's time for serum, and I've been trying this serum here. I did get this from work. I've mentioned several times that the Target I work at, they get samples all the time. Companies send them samples, and anytime I see that box, I'm going in there. I love trying new products. And this serum, it feels really, really good. I like to run serum along my hairline. I get dry there sometimes. All right, and then I'm going to go in with this face cream that I've been using. I don't think I did a full video on this, but I did do a video on this. I can't remember. I've been doing so many videos, you guys. But I know I did do a video on that on TikTok, and there is a link where you can buy this. Now, this cream, I will admit, it does smell like grandma. It does smell like grandma from back in the day. But when I tell you it works really good, I have been loving it. I absolutely love a rich cream, and this, oh, it feels so good. Feel how it penetrates into my skin. All right, and I'm still using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This as well was a tester from a sample from my job. All the steps we have to do to prep our skin right for foundation. Not to say that you have to do all these steps, but I love prepping my skin for my foundation. All right, and now we have our primer. I'm gonna go ahead and color correct around my mouth because I do have some hyperpigmentation there. And of course I'm using the LA Girl Pro corrector. Love this corrector. I've been using it for years. On to the foundation. Now you guys know I am a Estee Lauder girl. I've worked for Estee Lauder for 3 years. I managed 2 Estee Lauder counters over the course of those 3 years. And I love their products. They have really great products, but my all-time favorite foundation is Doublewear. I absolutely love Doublewear. It just works great. It's waterproof, transfer proof, so many benefits. But let's look up the Futurist, Estee Lauder Futurist Skin Tint Serum. Let's read about this foundation. Okay, product details. All Day Color True Wear. Even, smooth, moisturizes, improves skin over time so you glow with soft radiance. It does have SPF. This silky skin caring serum has the beauty benefits of a sheer tinted skin tone protector. I love a foundation that has serum in it. Any skincare makeup, like, that's a plus. Instantly creates an ultra natural radiant finish with light coverage, sweat and humidity resistant. 8-hour staying power, all day wear that's non-streaking, non-creasing, non-poring, and stays color true. Hydrates and conditions instantly. Moisture and radiance are locked in all day. In just 1 week, skin tone looks improved and skin looks smoother. Skin's own moisture is increased. That's a good claim. Every application helps protect against UVA and UVB damage with broad spectrum SPF 20, which is really cool. Skin feels comfortable and is gently refined over time to a smoother texture. Skin looks more even. Imperfections are diffused. 85% skincare and ingredients. Every precious drop of foundation is enriched with skin essential nutrients. Botanical oil infusion, won't read that. Soft clay cocoons, resurface and tone duo. Combination of glycine and tremetides. Versacolor extract. Moisture coverage is light, finish, ultra natural radiant. First ingredient is water. trimethylpropane, and it assists in preserving moisture within the skin. To keep it simple. So, okay, we've already color corrected. Let's go ahead and open this and see how it is. I am 5'2" in Doublewear. Any foundation that I purchase via, Estee Lauder, I usually just go with the 5'2", honey. I could honestly, in the winter months, go down to not a 2, but like a 1.5. But this is the bottle. It is nice and luxurious, and as you can see, it does have a dropper. I have my pan here. I'm just going to not completely do a full drop because I'm not a full drop girl. I'm not a full drop girl. Usually just like a 1 pump girl, but even though I didn't do a full pump, a full dropper, this is how much came out, and that's plenty. So it didn't come out as light as I thought it would be, and that is quite a bit. Well, we're just going to stamp it into the skin. It does apply a little bit lighter than what it looks like. It's not really running. It's not really running down, so it does have a little bit of weight to it. But it does apply lightly. I can see that it has like a nice little natural glow. I'm just giving you guys what I see as I use it. You see the glow there. See the glow on my skin? Like, look up here. I mean, obviously there is some reflection from the light, but that is glow. That is really a nice little glow. All right, let's go in with our concealer. Absolute favorite, Tient Idole. Color is 420 Bisque. I have mentioned several times that this is a really, really good concealer. It gives you great coverage, and I don't know, it's almost like a liquid and a cream together. Like, the formula is really good. I would definitely say this is a full coverage concealer because it gives it to you. It's a really great formula. All right, so we're gonna do our brows. You guys have seen me do that millions of times, so I'll be back once I get all of this done. All right, so I wanted to come back on before I set my foundation and just kind of do the phone test. I've mentioned in a couple videos, we all know how to prep our skin and set, so you can make, you can do techniques that will, stop the transfer of a foundation. We have setting powders, we have setting spray, we have so many techniques we can do to prevent all of that. But before I set, I'm just going to do the phone test, and I'm listening to Ricky Smiley. So I'm just going to press, and as you can see, there is a little bit of transfer there. Again, which does not bother me because I'm going to set. All right, anyway, so we're just going to, I love the spray on this setting spray. Like, it's just like the perfect mist. All right, so here is the Futurist Skin Tint Serum with the SPF of 20. This is the finished foundation. I think the color looks good. It feels really lightweight on the skin. I did not see that gray casting, that white casting that you see sometimes in foundation. I think the color looks good. It feels really good on the skin. It was a smooth application. I did more of the pressing technique with the foundation because that does give you a little bit more coverage. If you're swiping, of course, then you're thinning that foundation out. So pressing foundation into my skin Looks really good. And as mentioned before, I don't feel the need to do, oh, I'm going to come back in 5 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours to, you know, to let you guys know if I like the foundation or not. We have so many things and techniques we can do to set foundations to get it to where we want it to be. So right off the bat, of course, I like the foundation. As mentioned before, I'm a fan of Estee Lauder products. Love, love, love Estee Lauder products. This is definitely another foundation I will keep in the rotation. It is $55, which is not bad. I think when I got it on sale on Nordstrom's website. This is definitely another foundation I'm going to add into my list and that I will keep in rotation of my foundations. I was kind of getting, not foundation bored, but I just really wanted to seek out other foundations just to have a variety. Of course, I'm always going to go back to my Doublewear because I love Doublewear. It has stand the test of time, and like a little bit goes a very long way. Like to get a really great completed look, you don't need a lot of foundation. You guys have seen my technique. I don't put foundation underneath my eyes. I want to say this bottle, I don't know if you can see where it is. You probably can't see where it is, but it's right here, you know, half full. I have about this much, about half of the bottle left. And I want to say I've had that bottle, I want to say at least like 8 months. Again, but I'm a one pump girl. But you don't need a ton of foundation to get a completed look. Like if you're doing a photo shoot of something like that because you don't want to see the skin in, you know, the pictures, then you want to do more of a full coverage application. But yeah, you can get a beautiful look with just one pump of foundation, and you're, you know, extending the time of the foundation. Because when I worked at MAC, they would say, oh, like one bottle will last 3 months. Well, that depends on your application. If you're using 5 or 6 pumps, like, you're not even looking like your everyday self. You're looking like, you know, you're going to a photo shoot. So anyway, that's my take. Of course, right off the bat, I like the foundation and I will definitely continue to use it. That is it, guys. Let me know if you guys have heard of this foundation or what you think of this foundation. I will put a link to this foundation down in the description bar. And while I'm thinking about it, I have a couple more products. I'm not sure what sequence I'm going to do, but I will be doing reviews on these 2 products that I mentioned before, remover, and then the Power Grip setting spray. And then also this was a BB cream that went viral on TikTok. I am going to be trying that out as well. So you guys stay tuned for those videos. So yeah, if you guys are not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give a girl a follow at LRH Makeup. Also my second handle on TikTok, which is _beautyover40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.